Hello everyone, and welcome to Life in English podcast.
Hi, I'm Jen, and I'm so excited to be here with you today.
And I'm Kevin. We're your hosts, and we're here to help you learn English in a fun and easy way.
That's right, Kevin. Today, we have a really practical topic, something we all do, right?
Absolutely. We're going to talk about shopping for clothes and talking about prices.
Oh, I love shopping for clothes. It's so much fun, but sometimes it can be a little, confusing, especially in a new language.
Yes, exactly. So, in this episode, we'll cover everything from basic vocabulary to how to ask for prices and even share some funny stories.
Haha, I have a few of those stories. But first, let's start with the basics.
Great idea, Jen. So, for our listeners at the A2 level, we'll keep it simple and clear.
Okay, so, shopping for clothes. When you go to a store, what do you see?
Well, you see many different items of clothing. For example, a shirt.
Yes, a shirt. And then there are pants.
Right. Pants. Also, a dress, a skirt, shoes, socks, and a jacket.
Oh, and don't forget accessories like a hat or a scarf.
Good point. Now, these clothes come in different sizes. So, you have small, medium, and large.
Sometimes extra small or extra large too. And for shoes, we have sizes like 38, 39, 40, and so on.
Exactly. Now, when you want to buy something, you need to know the price. Price means how much money it costs.
So, you might ask, how much is this shirt? Or, what is the price of these pants?
Yes, and the answer could be, it's $20, or these pants are 30 euros.
But sometimes, there are sales. A sale means the price is lower than usual.
Right. So, you might see a sign that says sale or discount. For example, this dress is on sale for $15.
Or there is a 50% discount on all shoes. That means you pay half the price.
Half the price? Yes. So, those are some basic words. Let's practice a little.
Okay, Kevin. Imagine you are in a store. You see a nice blue shirt. What do you say?
I say, excuse me, how much is this blue shirt?
Good. And I, the shop assistant, say, it's $25.
Then I might ask, do you have it in a large size?
And I say, yes, here you are. The large size is the same price.
Perfect. So, that's a simple conversation. Now, let's dive deeper into the vocabulary.
Yes, because there are more words we use when shopping. For example, fitting room or changing room.
Oh, right? The fitting room is where you try on clothes to see if they fit.
So, you might ask, where is the fitting room? Or, can I try this on?
And then, after trying, you say it fits well, or it's too big, or it's too small.
Exactly. And if it doesn't fit, you can ask for a different size. Do you have this in a smaller size?
Or do you have this in a different color? Colors are important too. Red, blue, green, black, white.
Yes. And patterns like striped, checked, or plain.
Now, when talking about prices, we also use words like expensive and cheap.
So, if something costs a lot of money, it's expensive. If it costs a little money, it's cheap.
But sometimes, cheap can mean good value, or it might mean low quality. So, we say affordable for a good price.
That's a good point. Also, price tag, that's the little paper on the clothes that shows the price.
Right. So, you look at the price tag to see how much it costs.
And sometimes, the price tag has two prices, the original price and the sale price.
Yes, so you can see how much you save. That's always nice.
Haha, I love seeing that. Okay, so we have basic vocabulary. Now, let's talk about some personal experiences.
Oh, I have a funny story. Last month, I went shopping for a new jacket.
Really? Tell us, Kevin.
Well, I saw a nice black jacket. The price tag said $50, but there was a sign that said 30% off.
Oh, so it was on sale. Good deal.
Yes, but here's the funny part. I took it to the cashier, and she said, "That's $70.
What? But the price tag said $50.
Exactly. I was confused. So I said, "Excuse me, the price tag says $50, and there's a 30% discount."
And what did she say?
She looked at the tag and said, "Oh, I'm sorry. This tag is from last season. The new price is $70, but with 30% off, it's, $49.
Ha ha ha, so you still got a good deal, but it was confusing.
Yes, it was. But I learned to always double-check the price with the cashier.
That's a good tip. I have a story too. Once, I was shopping for a dress for a party.
Oh, tell us.
I found a beautiful red dress. It was a little expensive, but I really liked it. So, I tried it on in the fitting room.
And did it fit?
It fit perfectly. But when I looked at the price tag again, I saw it was $200. Oh no.
$200? That is expensive.
Yes, but then I saw a small sign on the rack that said 50% off all dresses this week.
Ah, so with the discount, it was $100.
Exactly. I was so happy. I bought it immediately.
That's a great deal. So, always look for sale signs.
Yes, and ask the staff if you're not sure. They can help.
Now, let's talk about how to ask for prices in different ways. It's not just "How much is this?"
Right? You can say, "What's the price of this shirt?" Or, "How much does this cost?"
Or, "Can you tell me the price, please?" Adding "please" is always polite.
And if you think something is too expensive, you might say, "That's a bit expensive for me."
Or, "Do you have anything cheaper?" That's a good question to ask.
And when you decide to buy, you say, "I'll take it," or "I'd like to buy this."
Then you go to the cashier or checkout to pay. You can pay with cash or card.
Yes, and sometimes they ask, "Do you need a bag?" You can say, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you."
Also, you might get a receipt. That's the paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid.
Keep the receipt in case you need to return something. Return means take it back to the store if there's a problem.
Right. For example, if the shirt has a hole, you can return it and get your money back.
But usually, you need the receipt to return items, so don't lose it.
Now, let's move on to our model dialogue. We'll role-play a shopping scenario.
Yes, let's do that. I'll be the customer, and you be the shop assistant, Kevin.
Okay, sounds good. So, imagine we're in a clothing store. I'm at the counter, and you come in.
Hello. I'm looking for a pair of jeans.
Hello. We have jeans over here. What size are you looking for?
I usually wear size medium. Do you have medium in blue?
Yes, we do. Here are some blue jeans in medium. You can try them on in the fitting room.
Thank you. Where is the fitting room?
It's just over there, on the left.
Great. I'll try them on.
Take your time. Let me know if you need help.
Okay, I tried them on. They fit well, but they're a little tight. Do you have a large size?
Yes, here is the large size. Try this one.
Thanks. I'll try it. Okay, this fits perfectly. How much are these jeans?
They are $40, but this week, all jeans are 20% off.
Oh, so with 20% off, how much is that?
Let me calculate. 20% of $40 is $8, so the price is $32.
$32? That's a good price. I'll take them.
Great. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. And can I pay with card?
Of course. The card machine is right here.
Thank you. Here's my card.
Thank you. Here's your receipt. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
So, that was a simple shopping dialogue. Did you notice the key phrases?
Yes, like I'm looking for, what size, try them on, how much, and I'll take it.
Exactly. Now, let's do another role play, but this time with a different situation.
Okay, I'll be the shop assistant and you be the customer, Kevin.
Alright, hello? I need a new shirt for work.
Hello. We have many shirts. What color do you prefer?
I like white or blue. Something plain, not striped.
Okay. Here are some plain blue shirts. They are all cotton, very comfortable.
Can I see the price tag? Oh, this one is $35. Do you have any on sale?
Yes, these shirts over here are on sale. They are $20 each.
$20? That's cheap. But are they good quality?
Yes, they are good quality. They are from last season, but still very nice.
Okay, I'll try one on. What sizes do you have?
We have small, medium, and large. What size do you wear?
I wear large. Can I try the large blue shirt?
Of course. The fitting room is there. Let me know if you need another size.
Thanks. I'll be right back. Okay, it fits well. I'll take it.
Great. Anything else today?
No, that's all. How much is it with tax?
The price is $20, and with tax, it's $22.
Okay, here's $25.
Thank you. Here's your change, $3, and here's your receipt.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too? Goodbye.
So, in that dialogue, we talked about tax. Sometimes, the price you see doesn't include tax, so you pay a little more.
Yes, that's common in some countries. It's good to ask, is tax included, or how much with tax?
Now, let's move on to some tips and review. We've covered a lot, so let's summarize the key points.
First, basic vocabulary. Clothes items like shirt, pants, dress, sizes like small, medium, large, and price terms like cost, sale, discount.
Second, key phrases. How much is this? Can I try it on? Do you have this in a different size? I'll take it.
Third, personal tips. Always check the price tag, look for sale signs, and ask the staff if you're unsure.
Also, be polite. Use please and thank you. It makes the conversation nicer.
And don't forget about returns. Keep your receipt in case you need to bring something back.
Now, let's practice a few more phrases quickly. Repeat after us, listeners.
How much does this cost?
Do you have this in a large size?
Where is the fitting room?
It's too expensive.
I'm just looking, thanks. That's what you say if you don't want help yet.
Can I pay with card?
Is this on sale?
Good. Now, for our conclusion, we want to hear from you, our listeners.
Yes, we have a fun question for you. Think about your shopping experiences.
Tell us in the comments below, what is the best deal you've ever found on clothes? Try to answer in English.
We can't wait to read your stories. Maybe you found a shirt for $1 or a dress for half price.
Share your answers on YouTube in the comments section of this video.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends who are learning English.
Thank you for listening to Life in English podcast. We're Kevin and Jen, and we'll see you next time.
Bye everyone. Happy shopping.
Goodbye.